the CECA Wales Foundation Group Cycle Challenge. Over 4 days, Sam, Jack and Griff cycled 540 kilometres from London to Paris in support of the Sir Gareth Edwards Cancer Charity.
Day 1 of the cycle challenge began bright and early, a tactical move to beat London's morning traffic. The target, 91 miles from London to Dunkirk. The team set off from Blackheath, navigating the capital's awakening streets before hitting the winding lanes of Kent. It wasn't long before the hills arrived. The Kent Downs offered up some brutal climbs, including a 20% incline after 75 miles. Just when they got into the rhythm, a puncture. While Jack fixed his tyre, Sam and Griff made the best of the situation with a spontaneous roadside rest. Reaching the ferry terminal was also an adventure in itself, weaving between lorries while boarding and grabbing fish and chips mid-ride. Once in France, the finish line wasn't quite in sight, an extra 11 miles into the night, ensuring to ride on the right side of the road, quite literally. 1 day down, a few sore legs, 1 flat tyre, and a ferry ride later, the challenge was well and truly underway.
Day 2, Dunkirk to Cambrai. 100 miles in 35-degree heat and a relentless headwind. Sam swore this route was flat, but by mile 40 he was eating his words. We rode past endless fields of crops under the blazing sun, seeing no one but each other. The highlight? A perfect French lunch, the best beef stew we've ever tasted, and a much-needed pastry stop that gave us the energy boost we needed. But the lowest point of the day? A detour to meet our support team that turned a 10-mile promise into a soul-crushing 20 miles with very little water left on board. When we arrived at Cambrai later that evening, we were all exhausted. I showed signs of sunstroke and couldn't escape the fact that my chicken dinner tasted of energy gels. So we accepted the signs for an early night, knowing that day 3 would be even tougher.
Day 3, Cambrai to Soissons. Shorter on paper at only 75 miles, but the hills and the heat had other plans. After a late start in the morning, myself, Jack and Griff chased down the group ahead of us and eventually caught them. However, at this point, my tyre then split beyond repair. 3 inner tubes later and a catalogue of disasters, I had no other choice other than to jump on the support lady's mountain bike. After pedalling 50k through the French countryside on a bike not built for speed or long distance, I was happy to just reach the lunch stop and be greeted by Jordan and Rebecca with my repaired bike. Moments after swapping back to my bike and getting back on the road, we then had another tyre failure, this time on Jack's bike. What should have been an easier day ended up being the longest and most challenging day, all whilst battling through 40+ degree heat. The day ended in Soissons with dinner by the river and the feeling that the finish line was finally in sight.
The final day arrived, Soissons to Paris. 85 miles of relentless hills, heat and emotion. The final stretch before the countryside faded into the carnage yet class of a lively Paris. Traffic thickened as we left the fields of barley and garlic behind us and cycled under planes landing into one of the city's airports. Paris was near. Entering the city, we were escorted through the Champs-Élysées, dodging traffic and each other as if it was real-life Mario Kart. The excitement grew as we were nearing the finish line, passing the Arc de Triomphe in all its beauty and chaos towards the Trocadero. For that one, we knew the photo would be all worthwhile and our journey would have paid off. We arrived, the bikes were down, the challenge complete. It was time to celebrate.
The outcome of this 4-day venture was a donation of £18,500 to the Sir Gareth Edwards Cancer Charity. Every donation helps the charity support young people aged 15 to 35 living with cancer in Wales. Your donations in support of this London to Paris Cycle Challenge has allowed the Sir Gareth Edwards Cancer Charity to increase their standard grant. This grant helps fund the cost of travel to receive treatment, helps cover household bills and eases the everyday financial challenges that come with the fight against cancer. On behalf of everyone involved, thank you to the companies and individuals who have given so generously and made a real difference to people's lives.